Modeling in Maya can be a time-consuming process, yet using these advanced modeling tips could help reduce the amount of time it takes for you to model an object. We will model a house in order to demonstrate all of the given tips.
First of all, make sure that you're in the polygon menu before you begin modeling. Let's create a plane. Now, the reason why we want to create a plane is because it is always best to make models out of one object. Doing so will make the texturing process less complicated. We will begin extruding this plane to create a simple house. Make sure to always name your object. This will make it easier to do light linking, and in general you will be able to easily identify your object. Let's name our house House 1. Once we have the basic shape of the house, we are going to use the Cut Faces tool to create two window openings. As a reference, please watch the tutorial for hotkeys, as we will be using hotkeys to make the modeling process faster. We select the face. Now, using the Cut Faces tool, you can do horizontal or vertical lines by pressing the Shift and then doing a left click. We will do a horizontal line and 4 vertical lines. Otherwise, you can click and drag the mouse to place the guiding line however you want to cut the face. Now, we are going to focus on the pivot. Make sure to always center the pivot. This way, it is easier for you to move objects around. You do this by selecting Modify and then Center Pivot. You can also place the pivot anywhere you want by selecting the object and hitting the D key on your keyboard. Then, click and drag the X, Y, or Z coordinates. This is very useful when dealing with vertices. As a final tip, make sure to always use a 3-button mouse. This gives you easy access to all of the menus and submenus in Maya.